my shop. Mr. Smith, he's one of his customers.
6 eggs, please. Mr. Smith, brown eggs.
6 brown eggs. Here you are. That's 30 pence, please. Miss Archer, put 30 pence down.
20, 10, 20, 20, please.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, Mr. Smith. Hello, Miss Clark. I can help you. I was in fish fingers, please. Fish fingers? Have I got a box of fish fingers? Ah, yes. Here you are. That's 50 pence, please. Miss Clark, put 50 pence down. 50 pence. Thank you. Goodbye. Good morning. Oh, hello, madam. Your cheese, madam. Do you want your cheese? Yes, please. You are a good customer. You come to the shop every day. Yes. And you always buy cheese. Yes. You never want eggs or bread or fish. No, I only want cheese. You do like cheese? No, I don't like it. But I don't understand, madam. You always buy cheese for me every day. Yes, I buy it, but I don't like it. I don't eat it. Mr. Smith put the cheese in a paper bag. He gave the bag to his customer and looked at him. The woman put the bag in his pocket and smiled. Cheese helps me, you see. Helps you, madam? Yes, I am a photographer. A photographer? Cheese helps a photographer? Yes, every day I take photographs of men, women, or children. People like my photographs. They are good. People in them are always happy and smiling. That's good. But the people aren't smiling. They are saying cheese. Ooh. People come to me and sit down or stand in front of my camera. But the people aren't smiling. They are nervous. Yes, I'm always nervous in front of camera. And the nervous people don't smile. But I put the cheese on my camera and I say, what's that? And what do they say? They say cheese. They say cheese and smile. They can't say cheese and don't smile. You can't say cheese and not smile. Cheese! You see, I'm right. You are smiling. Yes, it's good. Be happy, Mr. Smith. Smile at your customers. They are going to like that. They appreciate a smile. People always appreciate a smile. Say cheese to them. Yes, madam. Oh, that's 20 pence, please. 20 pence. Here you are. Goodbye. Goodbye, and thank you again.
Hello, Mister. Good morning, Mr. Swan.
Cheese, Miss Davis.
No, thank Joe. 6 white pears, please.
Yes, Miss Davis. Cheese.